Everything you hear right now is appearing within your awareness. You're sitting over there and you're listening to my voice and you're hearing my words. Maybe you hear other things as well around wherever you are. But what is the sound of the awareness itself? Awareness has no sound. Your beingness, your true beingness has no sound. It is, we would say, your beingness is completely silent. So when you're listening to silence, you are listening to your own beingness. You are connecting with one of the qualities of your own beingness. So if you take a moment right now and listen to your hand, for example, which has no sound, you're listening to silence itself. And that is a quality, as I said, a quality of your own beingness. So listening to silence is a great way that is always available. It's a great way to connect with your true self, with your essence, with your beingness. And this silence is always with us, even in the midst of traffic and loud noise, and even when you're at a concert, in all circumstances, at a party, at home, wherever you are, even when your mind is going crazy and there's a lot of thoughts and a lot of tensions and a lot of everything. In the midst of anything, silence is there as the that which all sounds appear in. What we can do in all sorts of different circumstances, we can check to see, is silence here right now? Let's say you're in traffic or out walking in a busy street. Is silence there? If you listen to that which has no sound within your experience, it's a good exercise to listen to something like your hand, or listen to a building, or a brick, or the sky, or the ground itself, and listen. And you can immediately connect with the silence that is here. And if you listen for a bit, if you stop what you're doing and listen for a bit, you can connect deeper and deeper into that silence. And it's a powerful exercise. It's a powerful way of connecting with yourself. And the more you listen to silence, the deeper you go into peace, into presence, into what you truly are. That is why silence is so emphasized, in my understanding, throughout the centuries and millennia of spiritual teaching.